make a tutorial. I can't say that word, but I'm going to show you how you can crimp your hair with a straightener. This is going to be kind of hard because, like, I have nobody else to hold this camera. So, see you guys. I don't know. I guess I'll just do it with one hand. I'm not going to put it in sections because that just, like, will take forever. Okay. I don't know if you can see me, but, I'm going to take my bang first, right here, and take it, and go like this. Hold it there for a while, and then go fast. Whoa. And just do that with your entire hair. I swear my hair was literally just on fire. This is totally not working. Oh my god. If you fall, I will kill you. Okay. Then, take another section. Just like this. Do the same thing. Hold it there. Go down. Count for about 5 seconds. Okay, just like that. Just like that. Whoa, I almost like burnt my ear. Just like this. Ta-da! Should get the bottom. When you want to do the bottom, you might want to hold it for like a super duper long time. Like 1. So now, can you watch how you do this? You want to get the bottoms more Yeah, so, I mean, you can pretty much crimp your hair with anything. So, I hope you like this. I hope it, like, helped you, like, to answer your questions. I'll put up some more videos, and I hope you liked it. Bye.